Ang pinag-uusapan ngayon ay yung two minor students na nagbaril sa kanilang mga kaklase sa Tacloban City. So, based on the facts available na bigay ng PNP sa media, around 7:30 o'clock in the morning, pumasok yung dalawa na sa gate ng kanilang eskwelahan at hindi sila na-check ng gwardiya na doon sa kanilang backpack may mga daladalang baril, isang 38 caliber pistol at isang 9mm. At around 8 o'clock in the morning, nagpunta sila sa comfort room at sila ay nagpalit ng damit, no? Nagpalit sila, tinanggal nila yung school uniform and they started shooting, no? Kahit saan, no? To whom it may concern ang bala. As a result, 3 students were dead, several injured, at of course yung trauma ng mga batang kaklase nila. So, ang main concern ngayon, because they are minors, meron ba silang criminal liability under the Juvenile Justice and Welfare Act? Ito yung tinatawag nating Republic Act 9344. At sikat din siyang tawagin Pangilinan Law. So, unang-una, yung provision ng law. If a child is exactly 15 years old or below, no, below 15, at the time of the commission of the crime, exempt from criminal liability yung bata. In this Tacloban case, the child is 15 pero hindi below. 15 and above yung unang bata. Ito yung nagbedalang baril na 38 caliber revolver. And according to the reports, nagpaputok siya ng minsan lang. 1 out of the 5 bullets na nasa loob ng pistol. Yung isa 14 years old at ito yung may dala ng 9mm at 38 shots ang kanyang pinutok. Kaya nga nagkaroon ng mga patay ng mga kaklase at injuries. Itong 14 years old na ito, under the law, is exempt from criminal liability. Pero yung exemption na yan, hindi ibig sabihin inosente sila. Parang walang nangyari. Wala lang. No? Tapos na. Nagbaril kami. Tapos na. Kasi yun yung chat group nila eh. Na 1 month before or even a day before, nag-uusap yung dalawa. And one of the features ng usapan, alam nila, exempt naman tayo eh. No? So, a little knowledge is dangerous kasi hindi nila alam yung intricacies of the law. No? Ang alam nila, basta minor, exempt from criminal liability, which is not true at all. No? At yung 15-year-old, above 15, but below 18, is he exempt? Sinabi na natin, hindi. But did he act with discernment? Ito yung tinatawag nilang, alam ba niya what is right or wrong? Discernment is the capacity of a child at the time of the commission of the offense to understand the difference between right or wrong as well as the consequences of the wrongful act. Itong batang ito, alam niya yung difference ng right or wrong. Pero hindi niya alam yung consequence. Kasi ang alam niyang consequence, hindi siya makukulong. No? At again, wrong interpretation of the law. Meron ba siyang discernment? Kaya siya na-filean ng 3 counts of murder. Ano ang ibig sabihin ng discernment? No? Ang Supreme Court may ruling na dito kung ano ang ibig sabihin ng discernment. At ang sabi dito ng Korte Suprema nagkakaroon ng discernment. By the way, discernment is determined by the social welfare office or yung social worker na na-assign sa bata. And ano yung mga factors? Ito yung capacity or ability of a child to understand the moral and psychological components of the crime. Yan, meron ba siya niyan? At environment, ano ba yung environment ng bata? Nag-iisip ba ng malalim itong mga bata at nagpaplano ng krimen? And as pointed out, na-influence sila nung gore box na app doon sa internet. Medyo violent itong gore box na ito, no, created by a German, no? Utterances, ano yung pinag-uusapan nila, ano yung kwentuhan nila, yung overt act na ginawa during the commission of the crime, yung deliberate na pagdala ng baril sa eskwelahan na alam nila na bawal. Is this discernment? Yung mamili sila ng kanilang weapons, no? 38 yung isa, 9mm yung isa, deliberate yan, and that is discernment. Marami pang factors na sinasabi na proving na may discernment itong 15 years old and above. Bakit hindi nag-a-apply doon sa 14? Mag-a-apply din yung mga factors na yan kasi ang theory ng prosecution, conspiracy. The act of one is the act of all. Ibang treatment lang yung 15 years old and above sa treatment sa 14-year-old and above. But in both cases, hindi, like I said, parang wala lang, hindi ho ganon. Kasi may civil liability ang kanilang magulang. So for the death of the 3 children, for the injury, merong civil liability ang mga magulang. Yung mga may-ari ng baril, meron ding criminal and administrative liability. Yung criminal liability niyan, reckless imprudence resulting into homicide, etc. Because wala silang foresight, wala silang care in keeping their firearms doon sa bahay nila. Yung isang 9mm owner ay isang police, so she will also be facing administrative liabilities, no? Sayang at naging lawyer pa naman itong police na ito habang siya ay police, nag-aral ng law at pumasa bilang isang abogado. So, yung penalty dito, no, ay meron yung 15 years old and above, tuloy ang kaso. Yung 14 years old, exempt, pero hindi naman siya uuwi sa bahay. Nandun sila sa custody ng DSWD at yung isa is nasa center ng mga kabataan doon sa Tacloban, no? So, yung discernment, sinabi natin, has to be proved by the social worker. Hindi po automatic yan. Kailangan i-prove ng social worker na yan. So, kung mapatunayan na exempt from liability yung 14-year-old, ano ang gagawin sa kanya? Hindi siya uuwi, but subject to intervention measures. No? Dadalhin siya sa DSWD at bibigyan ng chance, second chance to be able to recover himself, to reform. Kasi yan yung purpose ng batas. Yung 15-year-old, pag napatunayan na act with discernment siya at na-convict, criminally liable siya. But hindi siya initially makukulong sa Muntinlupa kasi ang unang gagawin ng ating state to rehabilitate at he will undergo suspension of sentence hanggang he reaches the age of 21. Pag nag-21 siya at napatunayang nag-reform siya, nagsisi, no? At reform, nagbago then may expand yung record niya from the case, meaning i-erase lahat ng criminal liability niya doon sa kaso. On the other hand, nag-21 siya at hindi siya reformed, then kulong, service of sentence na siya. Although, sa jail, meron din namang for youth offenders doon, o kahit sa Muntinlupa, siguro merong for youthful offenders, pero service of sentence na siya.